Today I will teach you how to create a video sharing website like YouTube. You do not need to know coding to create this video sharing website. I will teach you how to create a step-by-step video sharing website. Now I will show you the demo of video sharing website. As you can see my computer screen. This is our video sharing website homepage. As you can see search bar. This will allow user to search for different types of videos. Then you can see menu button. It is nice. Then home article. In addition to uploading videos to users, we can give them the opportunity to write articles. Then as you can see last videos menu, trending, top videos, movie, then stock videos. This will allow users to sell their videos. Then last popular channel, then explore more help button. Now as you can see video category list. Now click on the one's video. Now as you can see it's video title, video views, video date, then share, embed, download, subscribe, author, image, author name, then verify icon. As you can see this is a description. Most popular, most important video pop-up, because this is very important for our video sharing website. Now last comment. You must be logging into the website if you want to comment. Okay, so now let's log into this website as a user. Click on the my account, then click on the login, enter your username, then enter your password. Now click on the login. Our user account login complete. As you can see create icon, click on the create icon, then this is a upload button, input button, live button. Now we will upload a video. Click on the upload, then choose your video, click on the select media, choose your video, then click on the open. As you can see our video upload complete. Then enter your video title. Now enter your video description. Then upload thumbnail. Click on the upload thumbnail. I may upload demo thumbnail. Then click on the next step. Select your video location. I am not select video location. Enter the price at which you want to sell the video. I am not selling this video. Then choose your monetization option, enable and disable. I am click on monetization option enable. Then click on the next step. Then choose your video category. Now enter your video tag, video demo tag. Now choose the video privacy. I am click public. Then click on the publish. As you can see our video publish. These are the same options you have seen on YouTube, right? Yes, because we will create a video sharing website like YouTube. Now as you can see message icon, click on the message icon. This will allow you to send SMS to different user. This is a very good option, right? Now as you can see notification icon, then click on the account. Our account user photo, username, users URL name, then video and point, as you can see. Then most very important option mode, white mode, dark mode. Very nice. As you can see subscription button, playlist, history, like, get video, my article, video studio, edit. Then click on the setting. As you can see general setting, username, email, gender, male, female, country, select your country, then agree, enter your donation email. Then click on the profile, your profile details. As you can see, then monetization, enable, disable, subscription price, password, balance, avatar and cover, upload your avatar picture and upload your cover picture, verification, section, point setting. As you can see point setting, point earn setting, Then as you can see, two-factor authentication, disable and enable. Blocked user setting list, manage sections. As you can see, your device logging IP address, your device logging time, your device browser logging browser. Then your this section, your account information. Then deleted account, just enter your correct password. Now I will show you in the admin panel dashboard. Click on the my account, then click on the login. Your admin username, enter. Then enter your admin password. Now click on the my account logo, then click on the admin panel. As you can see, it is our admin panel dashboard. Now we will install our website, then discuss step by step in admin panel. Creating a video sharing website requires unlimited hosting. You can buy hosting from Bluehost at the lowest price. You will get unlimited hosting at the lowest price. In the video description, I will give the link of Bluehost website. So now we will install the website. Now go to your cPanel, then find out File Manager. Now click on the File Manager. Now choose your file. You upload this file public HTML, but I am upload my subdomain file video.codetai.com. Then click on the upload. Now click on the select file. Then go to download file. At first zip this file. Then click on the as you can see our source file upload complete. Then click on the back to. Now we will extract this file. Then click on the extract. Go to skip, select all, then click on the move, then now click on the move file. Now delete zip, skip, zip, then delete skip file. Okay. Now go to your website, enter your domain, as you can see, this is our install trans of use. Now click on the I agree, then click on the next. Or recommend, all okay. Now click on the next. As you can see, it is our installation information. At first, go to your cPanel, home dashboard, then click on the MySQL and database. Now enter your new database. And then enter your database username. Then enter your password, database username. I am generate this password. Copy. Then click on the create user. Now I am this password, paste. Now copy database username. Then paste username. Now as you can see, our database username and database name same. Enter your host name, local host. Then now put your site URL. Copy your site URL. then put your site URL. Then most very important, paste your purchase code. I am paste my purchase code. I hide my purchase code. Now enter your site name. Now enter your site title. Now enter your admin email. Now enter your admin username. Now enter your admin password. Okay. All information okay. Now click on the install. As you can see, our PHP skip install complete. Then click on the let's start. As you can see, our video sharing website installation complete. Now we will customize the admin panel of our website. Click on the my account, then click on the login. Enter your admin name. Now enter your admin password. Then click on the login. As you can see, our admin panel login successful. Now click on the my account. Then click on the admin panel. As you can see, this is our admin panel. At first, click on the setting. Then click on the general configuration. At first, maintenance mode off. Okay. Now, as you can see, SEO links. If you want to create a personal video sharing website, then you can keep this SEO links on. But if you want to create a video sharing website for multiple users, then you must turn off the SEO links. Okay. Then history system on. Okay. Popular channel on. Article system. If you want to give user the opportunity to write articles, you must keep on it. Now show article in homepage. Okay. User can create articles on. Okay. Then as you can see, 18 plus pop-up on off. If you allow your website to upload 18 plus videos, otherwise you can keep it off. Okay. Now language model on off. And then copyright, report copyright on. Okay. Fairly subscription on off on. Create for system on off on. Favorite category, video pagination limit. Then introduce censored words as an example. Okay. Now as you can see, user registration. Allow user to create account in your site on off. Account validation on. Two-factor setting on. ReCAPTCHA. Enter your reCAPTCHA key. This is a Google reCAPTCHA key. Now we will learn how to add Google reCAPTCHA key. Go to your browser, then find out Google reCAPTCHA. Click on the reCAPTCHA admin. Copy your site domain. Then paste. reCAPTCHA 2. Then paste your site domain. And then click. Now click on the submit. Copy site key. Then paste reCAPTCHA key. Go to analytics. Our reCAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA site key at complete. As you can see, user configuration, delete user account. Then as you can see, user verification page, blog system, paid subscriber, on donation system, on off on. Other setting Ajax. Default show in comments 14. Good.